Hello everyone, welcome to EdTech Friendly. I am your EdTech friend Rosie Gandhi and we are starting the new series of IGCSE ICT curriculum videos. Cambridge curriculum gives students clear path for educational success from age 5 to 19. They provide platform for learners to progress from one stage to the next. Approach in this IGCSE Information and Communication Technology syllabus, it provides learners the ability to learn ICT skills and get the knowledge and understanding of ICT systems. This course makes the students confident, innovative, responsible, reflective, and socially engaged learners. So in this IGCSE ICT curriculum, we have three papers. Paper 1 is your theory papers, and in the previous year, it was for 1 hour, for 2 hours, and now it is for 1 hour 30 minutes, 80 marks, and all questions from chapter 1 to 21 of the textbook are expected to be attempted in this. All questions are compulsory in this. Paper 2 is a practical paper which has questions based on document production, database, and presentation. It is for 2 hours 15 minutes, 70 marks, and students are also expected to be able to attempt questions which are related to file management, imaging, proofing, etc. Paper 3 is again a practical paper which has questions related to spreadsheet, website authoring, and it is again for 2 hours 15 minutes, a practical paper. Again, students are expected to also have knowledge of the skills from chapter 11 to 16 from the book. We've been talking about the book. The book for this new curriculum is one from the Hodder Education, and this is a good book, and I've been using this film with my students, and it's pretty good, gives knowledge and understanding for all the chapters. The practical workbook here gives the students hands-on practice, which is good for them to prep up for the exam. And ICT theory workbook helps them to prepare for the theory exam, which is paper 1. So paper 1, you can use practice. For the practice of paper 1, you can use theory workbook. And for paper 2 and paper 3, students can use ICT practical workbook. So yeah, guys, I think it's quite a good information so far to begin with the curriculum. We will be coming up with a lot of more tutorials for this curriculum and keep catching up on. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do that so that you get the updates for the latest video. Till then, happy learning, everybody. Enjoy yourself.